What's up guys, it's Flash. In this video, I'm going to tell you how I lost $25,000 trying to become a day trader, so stay tuned. What's up guys, I had to interrupt the video and I do apologise. I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The Flash Forward day trading course is out now. If you're interested to learn how to trade stocks the correct way, check the link out below guys. God bless. Before we get into the video guys, do me a favour, hit like and subscribe. I'd appreciate that a lot. Let's get straight into it. Yes, that's correct. $25,000. So, I want to talk about the big $25,000 loss or the whole thing in general. How I lost $25,000 day trading or becoming a day trader. Let's use that. Like you all know, I went full-time straight away, okay? Left big job in a big company here on big money. Left that before my little boy Tucker was born. Shout out to Tucker. Left that before Tucker was born and went full-time straight away. Now, I had built up some savings and that's what I thought would be enough to keep me going. So I built up some savings and I started day trading. So please, can I just have like a warning sign pop up on the screen, please? I do not recommend leaving your job with no idea how to day trade and think you're going to become a day trader. Nope, don't do it. I did it. Look at this guy. Don't do it. Learn from my mistakes. Bad decision. Okay, did it work out in the end? Yes, it did, but we're not there yet. We're going to talk more about the start and the journey of the $25,000 loss. Yeah, go full-time straight away, no education, tried to do it on YouTube, lost a shit ton of money, went back, educated myself, which I spent money on education, which I didn't have budgeted at the start. So, if you're looking to day trade, and you want to do it right, go get an education. Doesn't have to be my education. Doesn't have to be a $10,000 education. But go get an education, it's important. Figure out what day trader you want to become and educate yourself in what that course is doing. If you do it for free on YouTube, well done. But I can only advise you on my mistakes. So that's why I'm saying go get an education. So I don't recommend jumping straight in. Like I said, money saved up and try to become a day trader. I started investing money in the stock market and I started to take some losses. Were they huge losses? I mean, they were a couple $100s a day at the start. Okay, and I'm thinking, well, this is fine. People have to lose, all right? Going to work, bam, bam.
96.59.
Punch in the face. Go to work again, bam. Punch in the face. Constantly losing money, and this went on for like 8, 9, 10 months. Constantly losing money. I mean, I'd have some wins, but the losses were so big that the wins wouldn't matter. Created a lot of bad habits in doing this, which I eventually had to eradicate them to figure out what I was doing wrong. I did courses, I did everything. Eventually found myself as a day trader and became profitable. But hold up, we're not there yet. Rewind. So my savings started to dwindle very fast from taking big losses and started to add up to thousands and thousands of dollars I was losing in the stock market over a period of time. Whilst this was going on, I had finance on a car. Can someone please show them the car? I had finance on this car and I was paying it every month. So I had ongoing debts that were coming out of the savings I built up. Also, I was losing a ton in the stock market as well. So this money was just piling on, like in digging a huge hole. Huge hole. So I began to fall into a big debt. Next of all, between trading, financing on my car, I was in a $25,000 hole. Okay? Wasn't pleasant. Big struggle, and it brought me down to a low place and a hard place. But the story doesn't end there. Oh no, it doesn't. It gets good. Fast forward, after all this struggling going on for 8, 9, 10 months, taking big losses, going into debt with my cars and my personal shit, I eventually start to be making money. I eventually start to become a profitable day trader. This began to take me out of the big hole that I caused on debt and trading. So I began to dig myself out, more wins, bigger in size, start to spread my income, and I'm like, hey, we're getting out of this hole. Things are finally starting to look up. The education has paid off. The hard work and study has paid off. We're starting to get out of the hole. Let's kind of jump fast forward. We're out of the hole. We're back in the clear. We're back at even. And now let's start building the foundation of profit. So that went on, and now we're starting to become green, profitable traders. Confident in our ability, are we? That sounded like Yoda. Confident in our ability, we are. That was a terrible impression.
Rolling down to the beach, I'm strolling.
So began to make money, got myself out of debt, became a profitable trader, got a new car. It's on finance. I finance cars. I don't buy cars for cash. What a bad investment. Pop up picture of my new car. There it is. Became a profitable trader. That was my journey on my $25,000 loss. It was a hard struggle. Are you going to lose $25,000 trading? I hope not. But that was my car and my other debts as well. It wasn't the case of a $25,000 in the stock market debt. It was just a compiling of everything. There was thousands of dollars lost in the stock market, that's for sure. But I went on like losing in the stock market. I'd spent on education. Then I just lost a load of money because the car, you know the whole story. We just talked about it. But what I would learn from that is it's going to be hard. Do your studying, educate yourself, work hard. Don't jump into it like I did. Do a part-time at the start until you have your feet grounded and you know what you're doing. And then, and only then, will you become a profitable trader. Guys, I want to thank you so much for your support in this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Once again, hit the like and subscribe. If you're interested in taking stocks, the Flash Forward course is out now. Check it below. Good night, and God bless.